Birds vocabulary. 130 words name in English with picture. Okay, so let's dive into the topic. Peacock, pigeon, hen, cock, turkey, spruce grouse, parrot, parakeet, macaw, canary, duck, goose, swan, gadwal, mandarin duck, mallard, king eider, loon, crane, heron, hawk, eagle, partridge, tinamou, owl, vulture, crow, nightingale, bulbul, hummingbird, seagull, starling, kingfisher, Atlantic puffin, greater cockle, cormorant, cuckoo, dove, penguin, pelican, ostrich, emu, spoonbill, fairy wren, albatross, Arctic tern, flamingo, grey crowned crane, red cardinal, snow bunting, hoopoe, lorikeet, toucan, kakato, finch, robin, woodpecker, golden oriole, crown pigeon, common pheasant, kookaburra, swift, falcon, kiwi, quail, Campbell squirrel, blue jay, magpie, stork, trogon, nuthatch, northern gannet, butler, chestnut breasted coronet, Himalaya monal, hornbill, bluebird, lark, Amazonian motmot, waxwing, cockatiel, grey parrots, Indian roller, jacamar, mena, water hen, black dragon, blackbird, babbler, Jacobin cuckoo, magnificent frigate bird, Regina bird of paradise, Vea weaver tailor bird, bee eater, lyra bird, sparrow, grey teal, sunbird, African jacana, secretary bird, corn crack, coal tit, great crested crab, tropic bird, ant bird, barbet, blue throat, fairy bluebird, fieldfare, frogmouth, goldcrest, flycatcher, helmet banga, hillmana, hodgin, honey eater, lora, leaf bird, kingbird, monarch, nightjar, paradise flycatcher, phoebe, red whiskered bulbul, riddling, saddleback, wren, warbler, turquoise, swallow, coleto,